Hi everyone. Today we're going to discuss how to appeal an account ban on Reddit. So if you ever find yourself banned on your Reddit account, there is a chance that you can get unbanned. It all depends, of course, what you did, but there is a way to appeal this. So we go to reddit.com/appeals, and here I don't have the option because my account is not currently suspended or restricted in any way, but if your account was, then you would be able to fill in this form. It'll automatically populate with your username when you're logged in. I'm already logged in, so it populated my username, and here we would explain the reason why we think we should be unbanned, explaining that we didn't break the rules or something like that. So if you fill this in, click this button, you'll be able to submit your appeal and wait probably 1 to 2 weeks. If you're not unbanned after 1 to 2 weeks, unfortunately Reddit is probably going to keep your account banned, and there's really not much you can do about it. This is the proper method for submitting an appeal. You can get unbanned. It is rare, especially when you have broken the rules, but this is the way to go for it. So if you do have a valuable account that you don't want to lose, reddit.com/appeals, and submit the information here and hope for the best. They will not contact you if they're not going to unban you, so you just have to wait a week or two, and after that come to the conclusion that they're probably not going to unban you if you haven't been unbanned by that point. Thanks guys.